This morning we're going to attempt to modify the connector that came with the Zino to fit my Galaxy S7 Edge phone. In the end here, it's not quite wide enough to clip all the way in, so I'm going to shave the edges off, and hopefully I won't ruin it by cutting into the wires. Right now I use this connection, and it's okay, it works great, it's just a little bit cumbersome in the hands. So I've got my knife, and I'm just gonna shave down some edges and see if we can get it to fit. Okay, we're using the phone end, and I know I have to shave the front down a bit and the sides. Let's see what happens. Well, I don't know what that is, and I might have done something wrong, but we shall see. See if it fits yet. It's almost there. We just have to shave the front part down a little tiny bit. Little tiny bit. Let's see if that works. Not yet. Little tiny bit off of this corner. Give this a try. Well, that appears to fit there. All the way in. Let's see if it works. Okay, so we're gonna, you can start the Zino or the controller, doesn't matter which one first. We'll go with the Zino till it beeps and does its thing. Now it's all solid colors. The front ones will start to flash. Everything will start to flash. When the front ones flash rapidly and the back ones stay solid, I'm tending to think that that means it's ready to bind. Like that. I start up my controller, and I'm waiting for my blue lights on the controller to turn solid. Like that. I go into my phone and I start my Hubsan app. And I go into the mainframe. It says not connected. and I plug it in. And it says connected here, Hubsan, and we're good to go. Everything's connected on the top. Everything's connected. So that little bit I took off the side didn't seem to damage it, but I wouldn't want to get it wet. Okay. And I move this up and down. I have to bind to the aircraft. Let's skip that. And it moves up and down. Now, everyone's saying you have to go into here, in the controller, set transmitter and aircraft connection. And so you have to do that. Suggest to reboot aircraft. This is your first this to really. I don't know why you have to do that. And if anybody can explain it, please do. I've never done that, and it's flown perfectly well. Maybe I'll give it a try today. Okay? But I know that this cable now works. I'll clean it up a little bit, and that's it. So we'll turn this off, turn the Zino off,